I'm sorry if what I'm about to do will wake you up. Just hoping you'll get your gun up. I won't make sounds or try to shut up. Just wanna kiss you and lick your whole body. I wanna eat you up, touch you, grab you. It's 2 a.m. Wish I could get it till 4. I don't wanna drip on a pool. Let it flow like the waterfall. I love kissing your neck, biting your shoulders, scratching your back. I hope it turns you on when I write all these lyrics with my tongue on your chest. As I slowly put my hands inside your underwear and grab your D, I'm already wet. You already had. Now I just want to know how you taste. The warmth of my lips and my tongue woke you up. I'm sorry, but I'll keep deep throating it. Want to see that smile on your face. I can feel your hand grabbing my ass. You're making me go in a faster pace, licking it, giving you sloppy head. You're calling my name. I can't let you come, still need you inside my cake. As I ride, please put your hands under your head. I want to take control. Your kids wanna be all over this bed, my hands on your chest. I slowly bump and grind, curving my back. Please sit up so I can open my legs wide. I wanna go hard, I wanna fight. Hold my waist, don't turn off the lights. I can feel it all in. Am I doing it right? I'm falling, but I'm afraid of heights. I think I'm coming. Please help me out. Please hit it out. Don't take your stick out. I can't help it calling your name out loud.